Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 17/7/2022 and the time is 9 a.m. Let's go and check what we discussed last week about the numbers and how market worked, whether it respected those numbers or not on a weekly forecast. And we will see what I discussed with my subscribers on 13th and how fortune signals works on last week based on a specific time frame. And I would like to talk about HDFC Bank, which is the talk of the town today. Let's see how the numbers worked, which is a monthly magic number and the deciding number, and where it is standing now. Okay, so let's see all that. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT. Okay, so this is the weekly observation for Bank Nifty 11th to 15th, and this is the buy number and this is the sell number, and all the targets are mentioned. And I clearly mentioned in last week video, Bank Nifty will face lot of resistance on the top. So even though it is a bullish numbers, but you will face only resistance. That is why I marked everything in red. Okay, and this is already mentioned in my last weekly forecast video. And this is a sell number on 30 minutes, and up to this it achieved. It only gave 1:3 RR last week, and it has not achieved the third number also. So more or less, it is not a good weekly thing for us, but still we are able to manage with a very small stop loss. We are able to manage 1:3 ratio without any indicator. Okay, and the stop loss was 144 points for buy or sell. Okay, and let's go to Nifty. Nifty buy not initiated, but the sell got initiated, and it came up to this number, and the PRZ zone is here. Price reversal zone for the week is 15,876 to 15,836, and it took the exact support from our bullish number for the monthly, and this number you have from the beginning of the month, and this number won't change. Okay, so let's go and see all this in chart. Okay, so now if you go here, okay, so this is Nifty Bank, and this is 11th of July. Okay, went up, stop loss got triggered, 144, stop loss got triggered. Okay, then after that it has not gone up, so now the sell got initiated here, which is 34,969. Once the 30 minutes candle closed below that number, you need to wait for the number to go and touch again the sell number. So the sell got initiated, and this was the stop loss 35,113, which is 144 points off from this number to this number. Okay, so the stop loss not got triggered, and it achieved two targets. Okay, and if you go to Nifty, this is Nifty, buy not initiated, and sell got initiated here, and again went up, gave the entry to sell, and the stop loss was 16,164. Okay, 54 points from here. For Nifty it is 54 points, and for Bank Nifty it is 144 points. Weekly. Okay, so the sell got initiated here, 16,108, and the stop loss was 16,164. So once this 30 minutes candle closed below this number, you need to go short at the number 16,108. Stop loss not got triggered, and it came all the way, and this is the PRZ zone. It's 15,876 to 15,836, and our bullish monthly number is 15,856, and that is where it took the support and went. Okay, so this is without any indicator, 1:3 RR. Let's go to this, the same numbers. I'm not talking about numbers, I'm going to talk about now fortune signals. So this is Nifty. Okay, so 11th of July here, the sell got initiated on 11th, but this candle is a fake sell. this candle is a fake sell because none of the candle closed below the initiation level, and from there it went up, and it gave a buy here, and next day the stop loss got triggered. Okay, at 16,103, and our number in PPT was 16,108. Okay, and from there it came down, went up. You need to go short here. You need to wait for it to come and touch, and you need to go short here. Here also, you need to wait for this number. You went short here, the stop loss got triggered here. Okay, so you went short at 16,180 when it touches the blue, but it got triggered at 15,237. So roughly around 40 points stop loss. It got triggered. So now again it went up. There is no buy. Came down again, and again this was the buy, and it is again a fake buy. It is again a fake buy where people get trapped. Again it came down, gave the sell. Again it gave a buy yesterday, and again this one was a fake buy. This one was a fake buy again. You can still remain in short. Came down all the way to the exact support for fortune signals, blue and red, and from there it went and closed above this candle eye, which means the genuine buyers come here at 16,049. Okay, and last weekly number was 16,051, 16051, and that is where market closed. That was the bearish number for the week, and exactly it came and touched that number. So it worked beautifully on fortune signals. See, here it is a fake buy where people got trapped. Again it came down, and full 5 minutes it is there in red only here the stop loss got triggered. That is on 11th June. Okay, so it was a good week in bank nifty. Let's go to bank nifty. So bank nifty, this was 11th. The buy is already from here. The buy is already from 34,114 on 5 minutes. Went up, and the sell came at 35,208. Roughly around 900 points is already captured on 5 minutes. And once it gave a signal, wait for it to go and touch the blue. So it went and touched the blue in 5 minutes, and from there it started correcting. So whenever it breaks this red colored line, if the first candle high is not broken, you can go short here. Again came down, again here it broke. If the first candle high is not broken here, you can go short here. This is the best way to go short at the top. Whenever it breaks this red color, if the next candle high is not crossed, you can go short here. And same here also. It broke the red color, the first candle high is not broken. So from here, from 35,384 in 5 minutes, there is no buy for the whole week. Again, see here, it went up, the first candle high is not broken here. And it closed exactly at the 5 minutes that I'm doing. So in bank nifty, there is no buy once it gave a sell at 35,220, or you can go short here also when it touches the blue. So it was an amazing week in bank nifty on the short side based on fortune signals in 5 minutes. Okay, so now everybody talk of the town is HDFC Bank. Okay, so now if you go here, this was the monthly magic number which I give on July 1st. For every month, I will give on 1st of every month. So let's go to HDFC Bank. You need to concentrate on HDFC Bank because the one number magic and the decider number are more or less one and the same. It's only 2 rupees difference. So when I've already told you, whenever the one magic number and the decider numbers are very narrow, you need to take the trade. Because the stop loss is very, 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 very limited. Okay. So now I've already marked these 2 numbers in my chart in fortune signals in trading view. Let's go and see that. Okay. So now this is HDFC Bank. Okay. So it gave a sell here. This is on 12th July. 1 second, I will try to, sorry, I need to share the screen. Okay, so now it gave a sell here. Okay, and it became genuine here because this candle went down and closed. So what do you need to do? You need to wait for this guy to go and touch the blue. Go and touch the blue. Okay, this is in 5 minutes. Exactly, it went up and it went and touched the blue. This candle, and the high is exactly 131399. You can keep 1400. Okay, and from there is no buy. Again, it went up. Here, the candle high was broken, and this is the pink color line, which is a Shakti, not able to cross above that number. And again, this is also a resistance. Exactly, it turned back here. Again, started coming and down in 5 minutes, and it closed here. Okay, 161364. So now let's go and apply our numbers. Okay, so these are the two numbers which we have, 1349 and 1351. This is the monthly game changer, two numbers. All the way from here, it came down, took the support here, and none of, in this category, you need to check for minimum 13 minutes, in minimum 15 minutes. What I'm showing you now is 5 minutes. In minimum 15 minutes, you need to use this number because this is a positional number for the month. Positional number for the month. So minimum 15 minutes candle or 30 minutes candle. But here also it came down all the way, exactly took the support at the number. And this number is with you from the beginning of the month. Okay, and from there it closed here. So we need to see whether it is going to cross above tomorrow. I don't know whether the results are good or bad or ugly, whatever, I don't know all that. Till it holds 1349, nothing to worry. Break below 1349 and close below for 30 minutes. We are ready for a major problem. And my short-term number is 3339 and the long-term number is 3328. Below this number, it is extremely weak. Below this number, it is extremely weak. Okay, and if you go to 15 minutes, again, it is in sell only from 1387. And if you see from here, okay, so let's talk about how to trade this on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this is what we normally do. We use 15 minutes on the numbers. We use 15 minutes on the fortune signal numbers. So here, this is there is no buy, even though it, see how many times it went and touched that number and reversed. These two numbers came down again, came down again. There is no buy, but here the buy came. So what you need to do, you need to wait for it to come and touch the blue. So you bought here at 1362, okay, and it gave a sell, and this sell was a fake sell because none of the candle closed below the low of this candle. So it is a fake sell, and it took exact support from the number. That's a beauty of it. Okay, so from there again it went up, again went up, then it gave a sell call at 131387. So the long entry was here 1361, or the long entry was here, because this is a fake sell. This is where people get trapped, and we know this is the trap zone because it is a fake sell. It is a fake sell. Okay, people, those who know, understand fortune signals, they know why it is fake sell. Okay, so from there it went up and it gave a sell here. Until now, there is no buy. So we need to see tomorrow how it is going to move from here. But see how this number is getting respected. That's a beauty of it. You can use any of your indicator after that, but numbers are, I can say always numbers do wonders. Chalo, and coming week is very exciting. And if you go to WhatsApp, so this is one of my client, Dr. Hitendra Patel. This is actually I posted on Wednesday in the evening at 4:23, and this is only for Nifty, not for Bank Nifty. If it is both indices, then I will make both the indices. Okay, Mostly tomorrow, Nifty will bottom out and move above till 19th. Till 19th, there will be a rally. 19 to 21 will bring low. And again, 21st, there will be upside move. Let's watch. We will use our fortune signals to go long or short. And it is in short already based on 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Let's see whether it takes the support from our 1 hour red tomorrow. Okay, this I posted on 13th. And exactly on 14th, market made the bottom. 14th, market made the bottom. And now it went up. I think other markets are flaring like hell. I don't care about all that. As of now, it says based on time cycle till 19th, the rally will be there, and 19th again, the market will start moving down till 21st. And this is what we predicted on Wednesday night, sorry, evening. And from there, this is for Thursday, and even yesterday, our timing rocked. But anyway, I was a little busy. So next 1 week, I'll be a little busy. So this was the timing. 2:30 to 2:40 timing. Watch out on Friday. So if you go here, indices, let's go to 5 minutes. And this was the timing candle, 2:30 candle. This was the timing candle, and from there it went up. The stop loss is very, very small. The stop loss is very, very small. So the stop loss for this is only 10 points. And I gave the timing much before, and after that, due to some personal issue, I left out. But anyway, market went up and closed above. See how timing works. Yeah. And so I'm going to discuss. See, today we have a normal webinar at 12:30 to 2 p.m. And today I'm going to discuss 3 stocks which are very, very crucial thing. And PEL gave a breakout, and it is above the TCD date high. And I'm going to discuss about India Mart, and Coromandel is having the important trend change date on Monday because it's a combination date and it is trading within the high and low of the last TCD date. So a lot of things to be discussed in today's webinar, and so this is I've already marked every day, and I've already told that like yesterday that on 14th that 15th is the total day. Major tops or major bottom formed here. And this is a very, very simple technique to find out how to find the top and bottom of Nifty or Bank Nifty. And this is already I've given to my subscribers. It's free, but see how market made the bottom yesterday. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow till it hold yesterday's low, that is 15th low, Friday low. There is no worry. That is why it is called total day, and it worked like mad. It worked like mad. And last month it was 16/6/2022. And that is the day in which market fell very badly, and that happened on expiry day. Okay, that happened on expiry day. So these are very, very simple steps to find out the top and bottom, which you can use. Okay, anyway, if you want to join the webinar, and this is for, I don't know how many people are joining the webinar. So this is what we are going to discuss in the webinar, plus the stocks which you like, plus combining with one magic number, and deciding number for the whole month. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon at 12:30 p.m. today. If not, see you soon tomorrow at 9 or 7. Thanks a lot. Bye.